Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 12X, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of the screen, and in here you will find the Do Not Disturb mode somewhere. It should be added by default, and for me it is visible right over here. So once you see this toggle first time around, I recommend holding it and then selecting settings. This, as you can see, takes you to the settings, and in here you can customize a couple of things. It looks like there's almost no options so there's no options. So the only thing that you can do in here is actually create a schedule. You can have multiple schedules running at a time. But other than that, it doesn't give you any options to, for instance, disable notifications from specific contacts or applications or anything like that you would have expected from a actually full-fledged Do Not Disturb mode. I mean, what can we expect? HUAWEI is just one of the most profitable device companies on the market. Let's not expect too much from them, right? So if you want to use any kind of schedule, when you add them, they will automatically become enabled, or you can also use the one that comes by default here. As you can see, we can also tap on it to edit it. So here you can change the days of the week, start and end time. Now, for people that want to use this manually, all you would need to do is find this toggle and simply tap on the icon. First time around, it will get you this pop-up letting you know that when enabled, notifications will be silent, alarms will ring as usual. I recommend checking the box right here and then selecting enable. So this box won't show up now ever again. And you can see it is running. So we have this moon icon right here. Now once you're done with it, you can turn it off by navigating back to your panel right here and clicking on the toggle once again to turn it off. And you will need to remember about it, as otherwise this mode will run indefinitely in the background. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.